Hi Year 1 and welcome to today's maths lesson. Now, last term we looked at numbers to 20. This term we're looking at numbers to 50. That's a really big number. So we're going all the way up to 50 this term. Let's start by warming up our brains. So, what comes next? 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done, very easy. 8, 9, 10, 11, just like we're counting up our number line. Fantastic. How do you spell 19? How do we spell 19? Pause the video, have a go at writing 19 down, and then unpause me. Right, did you have a go? Now, did you get it like this? 19. So it's number 9, so 9, and then teen. 19. Fantastic. Our question 3 is, how many counters? So here we've got 2 10 frames. 1 10 frame, 2 10 frames. How many counters are here in total? So 10, and then how many's down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 makes 17. Well done, we've got 17 counters here. And then down here we've got 2 10s is equal to what? What does 2 10s make? If I had 2 complete 10 frames, well, how many would I have? 10, 20. Fantastic. I would have 20. 2 10s makes 20. Well done. Let's go on to today's learning. So, numbers to 50. Here, I have got what's called a number square. And in your packs this week, I've sent you home with a number square. On one side, it's number square to 50, and on the other side, it's a blank number square. If you would like to, you can get out your number square to 50 now. Right, so numbers to 50. We have got, can you find these numbers? So we're going to look on the number line and see if we can find number 10. Where is number 10? So we've got 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 10. Fantastic. 20. Where will 20 be? So if we know this is 10, shall we count on until we get to 20? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here is 20. 30. 30. Do you know what 30 looks like? Let's count on and see if we can find a number that sounds like 30. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This one here is 30. 40. Where do you think 40 is going to be? Have a look on your number square and see if you can find 40. You can either count along or you can just see if you can find it. Right, now 40 is here. 10, 20, 30, 40. So our last one they're asking us to find is 50. Where do we think 50 is going to be? If we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well done. This last one here is 50. So our number square is 1 to 50. Now, what we've got here is we've counted in tens all along. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's see if there's anything else in here that helps us count to 50. Right, so here we've got some counters. How many counters have we got? We've got 10, 10 and 2. So let's have a go at counting them. Am I going to count them by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No, I'm not. That takes way too long. And we already know that there's 10 here. We know that there's 10 here. We know that there's 10 here because they're both complete. So we just need to go 10, 20, and then 1, 2. So 22. So we've got 10, 20, 2. So how many counters have we got? 22 counters. Well done. There are 22 counters. 10, 22. Well done. How many grapes have we got? Now, am I going to go through and count each individual grape? No, I'm not going to, because I know that in each bunch here there are 10 grapes. So if we know there's 10 here, we know there's 10 here, so 10, 20, 10, 20. What comes next? Can you remember this earlier when we counted 10, 20, 30, 40? 10, 20, 30. Now, is there 10 grapes here? No, there's not, so let's count them. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 10, 20, 30, and then these 5 grapes makes 35. There are 35 grapes in total. Now, how many eggs? Now, in each blue carton, there are 10 eggs in total. And then our green one down here, we haven't got 10. How many eggs do you think there are? I'd like you to pause the video and then see if you can have a go at working out how many eggs there are. And then unpause me when you're done. Okay, did you figure it out? Did you count them? Now, did you do it by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No, that takes a really long time, doesn't it? So, I would go 10, 20, 30, 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So we've got 4 lots of 10. And then how many eggs are here? 6. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 6, which makes 46, because we've got these 40 and then add on this 6. 10, 20, 30, 46. There are 46 eggs. Did you get 46? Well done if you did. Okay, so here now, what we've got is lots and lots and lots of sweets. They look very yummy. And we've got, I need to organise these. How should we organise them? How do you think we can do that? We could do them in colour, we could do them in pairs, we could do them in one long line. What do you think? Let's see what she decides to do. 10 frames. We're going to put them into 10 frames, so let's have a go at that. Wow, that looks like it's much easier to count. When they were up here, if you said count all of these, I'd be forever going 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes a really long time, but by putting them in our 10 frames, it's really easy to count. How many have we got? We've got 10, 20, because we both know these 2 10 frames are complete. There's a bear in every square. 10, 20, and then how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 20, 7. Well done. So we've got 27 bears in total. Well done. Okay, so here we've got our number square, and they're going to ask us to find some numbers. So these are the numbers they want us to find. So our first one is 33. Can you have a go at finding 33 on your number square, please? Just put your finger on it when you find it. 33. Okay, my turn. So 33, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find number 30. I'm going to count along 3. Now I can't go this way because I run out of number square. 30, 31, 32, 33. This is 33 because it was, we have 30 and then we've counted along 3. 33. Well done. Now our next one is 46. Now can you have a go at finding 46 on your number square, please? 46. My turn to find 46. So I'm going to find 40, which is here. 40, and I'm going to count along 6. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. This one here is 46. It's got the 4 for 40 and then the 6 afterwards. 46. Well done. Our next one is 28. Can you have a go at finding 28, please? 28. Just put your finger on it when you find 28. Okay, my turn. So I'm going to find 20 first. So 10, 20, and I'm going to go along to 8. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Fantastic. This is 28. So it's got the 2 for the 20 and then afterwards it's the 8. 28. Well done. And your last one is 15. You should be able to find 15. Super easy. 15. We found it. 15 is here. If it was 50, it would be down here. Did some of you go with 50 rather than 15? Remember, it's got the een. If it was 50, it would just be, 15. Well done. Now, what we're going to do is counting on a number track. So, what we've got here is I've got a number track or a number line, and this is from 19 all the way up to 33. 19 to 33. You don't have a number track or number line at home that goes up this high, so you're going to continue to use your number square. But we have got here, I can count from 19 to 33 with a number track. Can you find number 19 on your number square? Got 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. That's quite far. 19, all of the 20s, and then 30, 31, 32, 33. Well done. Did you do that as well? Great. That was really good counting, year one. Let's have a look at today's worksheet and see how we get on. Okay, today you don't actually have a printed worksheet. What I want you to do is get your book or just a piece of paper, and in the middle, I would like you to write the number 10. Now, what we are learning to do at the moment is to count in tens and then to count all the way up to 50. So 10 is quite important, and we need to remember how to make 10. Can you remember some of our number bonds to 10? We had 5 add 5, 5 add 5. Any more? 4 and 6, 4 add 6. How else? 6 and 4, the other way around. What did we add to 9? 9 and 1. Well done. So 9 add 1. And then we can have 1 and 9 because we know that addition is the other way around. Now, if you think you can do the rest of your number bonds to 10, that's fantastic. Put them on there. What I want to know though, is there any other ways of making 10? Because what we've been doing so far is just adding two numbers together, like 4 and 6, 5 and 5. What about if I had 7 add 1? Does that make 10? 7 fingers add 1 finger makes 8. How many more do I need to add on to get to 10? So 7 add 1, add how many? 2. This here is what's called a 3-number addition. I want to know if there's any 3-number additions that you know of how to make 10. So I add 7 things and I add on 1 more and then I add on 2 more. That gets me 10. Let's try another one. If I had, let's do 5, add 2, add what? So what does 5 and 2 make? 5 add 2 is 7. Have I got to 10 yet? No. How many more do I need to add on to make it to 10? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more have I added on? 3. Well done. So 5 add 2 add 3 also makes 10. Your job today is see if you can work out 12 different ways of making 10 using both 2-number additions and 3-number additions. And if you are feeling very, very, very clever today, you can have a go at doing some subtractions. So if I had 11 and I took away 1, that would give me the number 10 as well. But only do subtractions if you are really secure with doing your additions, and don't do subtraction above 20. So I don't want to see 30 take away 20, I just want you to go up to 20 maximum. Okay? So your job today is to write down all loads of different ways of just making 10, just in your book or on scrap paper somewhere. Great work, year one. That's all your maths home learning done for today. I'll see you for more home learning soon. Bye.